Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today I'm facing one of the issue related to SQL. Let's see how we can solve that issue. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that we always get the issue that is SQL mode only for full group by. So whenever you get this issue, what we have to do, we have to run one query into the SQL. So this is the query that is global SQL mode and replace SQL mode by only full group by. So you have to just copy this command and paste it in our SQL command with respective database. Okay, just execute this. Okay, after this execution, the error will resolve. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.